My name is Kadri Lepasson. I'm a folk dance teacher. I give a course in Tartu University, Estonian Folk Dance. What we learn here, actually, they are, let's say, basic four dances. It's labajalg, Reinländer, polka and waltz.
Those who think it was polka, raise their hands.
We've been learning basic steps in the style how they are danced here, because in other countries you see polka, but it's danced in a different way. You see Reinländer or Scottish, and it's danced in a different way than we do here. I find it quite a difficult task, actually, to teach. It's not difficult to teach dances, but to teach dancing. There are two different things. Dances is just like a set of steps, a set of movements, but dancing is like how you use your body, how you feel the rhythm, how you can time your movements and all that. And that I find that it's quite difficult to teach. That requires also some practice. It's like just, I don't know, when you would start to use a new tool which you haven't used before. So you need to practice first to become good at it. So it's a little bit the same. And then you can start to enjoy. It's never only about the moves. What we've been doing in the course is like just kind of like the technical know-how. So you are able to move yourself on the dance floor like others do. So that is just the technical knowledge, like how to make the step. But dancing is communication. It's communication with your partner. Actually, it starts with communicating with yourself. Like, how do I translate my knowledge into my movements? That's one thing. Then it's communication with your partner. How can we make it work so that we both can enjoy it? It's communicating with other couples on the dance floor. It's communicating with music, with the musicians. It's a lot about communication, like on different levels. I think people don't dance much anymore nowadays, at least not the kind of dances which require like, how to say, special skills. I remember like my grandparents' birthdays and my own parents' birthdays. We had also this, well, quite a lot of dancing. Nowadays, often people say that men don't like to dance so much anymore. But on these pictures, it's definitely not so. Some 100 years ago, it used to be like the normal popular thing to do. Now it is in a way like a niche or a subculture, but it's a very alive subculture. So you don't see it like everywhere happening, but it has its corners where it's flourishing. I hope that some people get maybe more interest or passion for dancing, and they would want to go on with it. And it's a very, very long process. So it's not really something that you just learn and then you master it, but it's just take it easy. Do it every week. And one day you just notice, like, yeah, wow. Now I understand what we did 2 years ago on that course and why it was useful. Yes.